Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got a special treat for all the aspiring entrepreneurs and hustlers out there. We're diving deep into the world of online money making. If you've ever wondered how to turn your computer or smartphone into a cash-generating machine, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore a comprehensive guide for beginners on how to earn money online. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. Number 1. Introduction to online income. First things first, let's delve deeper into the various ways you can make money online. The internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities, and it's essential to understand the landscape. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to leverage your skills and expertise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are bustling marketplaces where you can offer services ranging from content writing, graphic design, programming, to virtual assistants. We'll discuss how to create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and stand out in a competitive freelancing environment. Additionally, we'll explore the importance of delivering high-quality work and building lasting relationships with clients for repeat business. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce has become a booming industry, and you can get in on the action. Whether you're into handmade crafts or exploring dropshipping, setting up an online store has never been easier. We'll guide you through the steps of choosing a niche, sourcing products, and optimizing your website for maximum sales. We'll also touch on the significance of customer service, branding, and utilizing social media to drive traffic to your e-commerce site. 3. Content creation. Content creation is an exciting avenue for those with a creative flair. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer monetization options, such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. We'll delve into the specifics of each platform, discussing content strategies, audience engagement, and the importance of consistency. Additionally, we'll provide tips on how to identify trends, collaborate with other creators, and navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital content creation. 4. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a vast field with numerous opportunities. From affiliate marketing, where you promote others' products for a commission, to managing social media accounts for businesses, we'll explore the diverse ways you can monetize your digital marketing skills. We'll also touch on the importance of staying updated on industry trends, using analytics to measure campaign success, and building a strong personal brand as a digital marketer. Number 2. Building your online presence. Now that we've covered the different ways to make money online, let's shift our focus to building a strong online presence, a crucial step in establishing yourself as a reputable online entrepreneur. 1. Personal branding. Personal branding is the cornerstone of online success. We'll discuss the importance of defining your niche, creating a unique brand identity, and cultivating an authentic online persona. Building trust with your audience is key to long-term success. We'll also explore the power of storytelling, consistent visual elements, and engaging with your audience to build a community around your brand. 2. Social media strategies. Social media is a powerful tool for expanding your reach. Each platform has its own dynamics. Learn how to use social media not just as a promotional tool, but as a means to connect with your audience on a personal level. We'll also delve into the world of paid advertising, influencer collaborations, and the importance of analyzing metrics to refine your social media strategy. Number 3. Monetizing your skills. Now that you've set the foundation, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of turning your skills into revenue streams. 1. Setting competitive rates. Pricing your services right is crucial to attract clients and sustain your business. We'll discuss strategies for setting competitive rates that reflect your skills and experience. Understanding the market and positioning yourself appropriately is key to finding the right balance. We'll also cover the art of negotiation, upselling additional services, and creating value propositions that make clients eager to invest in your expertise. 2. Diversifying income streams. Diversification is a smart strategy for long-term success. We'll explore how to create multiple income streams, whether through offering different services, investing in passive income sources, or exploring new business ventures. This not only enhances your financial stability, but also provides a safety net in times of economic uncertainty. Number 4. Overcoming challenges. No entrepreneurial journey is without challenges. Let's discuss some common hurdles and how to navigate through them. 1. Time management. Balancing online work with daily life can be challenging, especially if you're managing multiple projects. We'll share effective time management techniques to help you stay organized, meet deadlines, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. From utilizing productivity tools to creating a dedicated workspace, we'll provide actionable tips to make the most of your time and maximize your efficiency. 2. Dealing with rejection. Rejection is inevitable, but it's how you handle it that matters. We'll discuss strategies for dealing with rejection, turning it into a learning opportunity, and using it as motivation to improve and succeed in the future. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide for beginners on how to earn money online. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. If you found this video valuable, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more in-depth guides and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy hustling!